Good morning, gentlemen. Of course, all my dear audience. Today's topic is mind management, especially when you are on job. Always it is said, man management is the very important skill, and all of us are not blessed with this, but few amongst us are. As an effective leader or as an ineffective leader. The topic is that bosses, they become the circle master and hunter baj. If you are working somewhere, you will acknowledge what I am saying, and it is the new for the new people, new professional coming in the professional life. Yes, you cannot say that it does not happen. It happens. Few leader, few bosses are like this. Their belief value is that become the ringmaster in the department, take the hunter in the hand and get the work done from each people, putting the hunter, thrashing with the hunter, with the louder voice and with different kind of the mindset. But they forget that action speaks louder than the voice. But not this action, what you are having in the organization, treating the people as an animal of the circus organization, animal employee. No. As you give thought that in the circus you put the hunter, then the animal starts moving, acting, reacting, behaving as per your choice. Similarly, if you do it in the organization, that you become a different kind of the leader, and instead of getting the work done very professional way, you lead your voice higher and fire. You use the style of huntering the people. It was not worked out, and it will not work out. You need to understand the weakness of the people. Why you are not thinking that you being as a boss is wrong? You have assigned the task which is not suiting to the individual, which is not in the care of the individual, which is not as per the capacity of the individual, which is not as per the proficiency of the individual. No, whatever work came to you, in haphazardous manner you said that you do this work, you do that work, you do that work, and you do this work. And at the end of the day, when you are going to monitor that the work completion, then you find that this man has not employee has not completed the task. Then you are taking the hunter in your hand and you are starting thrashing. Why you have not done it? What was the problem? You are not an effective employee. You get out from my organization. You will not suit to us. You are not our team member. And different kind of the harassment, kind of the challenges being imposed on the employee, where people is having fear, psychological fear. Oh, this man will do what he will do, we don't know, but he will do something sarcastic. This is not the man management. This is not the good man management. Without, you need to understand the people, work, and which kind of the work I should assign, so that as per his or her capacity, proficiency, can do the work, and thus a peaceful environment can be created. A nice positive environment can be created. So now employee is thinking that you are, my boss is hunterbaj, and he is putting us in trouble always and always, and he is leaving the organization. Maybe because of this practice in the past, there is saying that people don't leave the organization, they leave the bosses. They leave the boss, as boss is not giving comfort, not understanding them, and thus he is putting the pressure, and due to pressure, health of the employee is deteriorating. Concept of employee wellness is moved out, vanished, because of this hiring and firing system. Bosses are such leader who has to take care of the employee. When I say this, it means their health and hygiene also. You should not create pressure and become the cause of the increasing of their blood pressure, hypertension, diabetes, and many more other diseases. Rather, you become such a friendly person that they should bank on you, they should trust on you, they should miss you, they need you when you become the positive leader. So boss always should keep it in mind that don't try to act like a circle master, don't try to be a hunter master, don't demotivate your people, don't pass on sarcastic comments on them, don't give negative feel, don't give a feel that you cannot do anything, don't say that you are not worth of anything, don't say that you are not a performer, don't say that you don't know, don't say that don't come from tomorrow. Rather, you should be friend, you should be mentor. Whatever no, whatever negative just be spoke and share with you, it should be guided by boss such a way that existence of all these things does not appear in the personality of the employee. He is confident, he does the work, he delivers the result, he gives the quality result, he gives the result in time, he is concerned about the progress of the organization, he is team player, he is not disturbed, he is not discorded, he is not deteriorated, he is not having any pinching thing in the mind which force employee to peep outside the organization, sitting the organization. Such bosses creates havoc, and because of that, to continue their livelihood, the employee starts making biodata in the computer and they go for a small leave, attend the interview, and one fine morning they resign you, even they are not willing to give the notice period. So MD of the organization, big leader of the organization should always take care that such bosses are not existing in the organization. Thank you very much. I wish all the best to the employee, organization, and minimization of such hunter-watch boss in the organization. Hope for best. Thank you.